Well, when we think of narcissism, we think of people like CEOs and maybe politicians. And when we think of psychopaths, we think of serial killers, for example, like Ted Bundy. Well, if we're thinking about those labels that we attach in mental health, it's important to realize that this happens at the extreme of a spectrum. So we're looking at the darkest of grays among all those different shades of grays. Well, it is easy to believe that some of us university students might match some of those criteria, maybe more in a light gray than in a dark gray. Well, why do I care? Research suggests that those psychopathic and narcissistic traits can help us predict endorsements of sexual deviant behaviors. So for example, coercion or rape. And having been a volunteer for the Windsor Courthouse and hearing all of those countless stories of domestic violence, and also being a participant in the bystander courses, I've learned a lot about sexual violence, but I decided to take up this a little more into the context of my honors thesis this year. So with my research, I hope to support some of the evidence, and I hope to help out with creating an intervention strategy, or at least contributing to the research that can help us pinpoint those warning signals and then act right away so we can prevent something from happening.